नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट्स अपडेट से। ऑन वेडनेसडे द ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस एक्सपीरियंस्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रैली ड्रिवन बाय अ पॉजिटिव मार्केट रिएक्शन टू द लेबर डिपार्टमेंट्स क्लोजली वॉच्ड December consumer price inflation report. The Nasdaq jumped 2.31%, the S&P 500 climbed 1.83%, and the Dow advanced 1.65%, reflecting renewed investor optimism on the Wall Street. On Wednesday, the Brent oil witnessed a sharp upside rally of 2.49% and ended above the $81 level. This was the highest daily closing since July 2024. Going ahead, it is likely to continue its upward journey and test the level of $84 in the short term. The US dollar index ended on a negative note for the third consecutive trading session. However, it has taken support near the 20-day EMA level and witnessed a rebound. Going ahead, the zone of 109.6 to 109.8 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. Talking about Nifty's view, on Wednesday, the benchmark Nifty traded in a narrow range of 140 points. This was the second consecutive trading session where the index traded in a narrow range. This indicates that the downward momentum has slowed down. The daily RSI has witnessed a minor pullback after touching the 32.20 level. गोइंग अहेड निफ्टी के लिए 23,320 टू 23,360 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स सस्टेनेबल तरीके से 23,360 के ऊपर मूव करता है तो पुलबैक रैली का एक्सटेंशन 23,500 लेवल तक हो सकता है। नीचे की तरफ अगर 23,070 टू 23,040 जोन के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो इंडेक्स की साउथवर्ड जर्नी फिर से शुरू हो सकती है। On the derivatives front, the January futures ended on a flat note while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series dipped by 0.60%. The 23,300 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 23,400 strike. On the put side, the 23,200 has a substantial open interest followed by the 23,100 strike. For the weekly series, the OI PCR is at 0.73 and for the January monthly series, it is at 1.01. The Bank Nifty ended on a flat note on Wednesday and it has formed a high wave-like candle which suggests indecisiveness. Going ahead, अगर 49,100 to 49,200 के ऊपर कोई सस्टेनेबल मूव होता है तो पुलबैक रैली का एक्सटेंशन 49,800 लेवल तक हो सकता है। नीचे की तरफ 48,400 to 48,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर हम सेंसेक्स की व्यू की बात करें, दी बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स सेंसेक्स एंडेड द सेशन अबाउ द 76,700 मार्क विद अ गेन ऑफ 0.29% and it has formed a small body bearish candle. Going ahead, 77,100 to 77,200 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स सस्टेनेबल तरीके से 77,200 के ऊपर मूव करता है तो पुलबैक रैली का एक्सटेंशन 77,700 लेवल तक हो सकता है। नीचे की तरफ 76,400 टू 76,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। ऑन दी डेरिवेटिव्स फ्रंट, द जनवरी फ्यूचर्स एंडेड ऑन अ फ्लैट नोट and the open interest of the current series has surged by 7.51%. The 77,000 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 77,500 strike. On the put side, the 76,500 has a substantial open interest followed by the 76,000 strike. For the weekly series, the OI PCR is at 0.68. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX ended on a negative note for the second consecutive trading session. However, the short-term trend of the index is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, any sustainable move above the level of 16.3 will lead to an increase in the overall market's volatility. The advance decline ratio was tilted in the favor of advancers. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty media, auto, oil and gas, FMCG, pharma and healthcare space are likely to underperform in the short term. Talking about the FIDI data, the FII sold to the tune of 4,533 crores, while the DIIs bought to the tune of 3,682 crores. The FII's long-short ratio for index futures is at 17.22, as on a net basis they bought 4,633 index futures. That's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.